Assalamu alaikum learners, good morning, welcome back to Science Lesson 3. Today is Tuesday 24th of November 2020 and the value of the month is respect, the way of treating or thinking about someone or something. And your today's topic is properties of materials review. In this lesson, you will identify the characteristics of materials, sort objects into groups based on the properties of their materials. Let's think of materials we have studied in the last lesson. Can you remember any of the words we used to describe those materials? What do they mean? Let's have a look. You can discuss with each other or some partner at home. Let's have a look. What do you remember? Look at the first picture, diamond. What do you think is the property of diamond? Yes, very good. It's hard. Then we have a teddy bear. The teddy bear is soft. Look at this. It's so stretchy. Then this one's so stiff. You cannot stretch it. Next one. It's so shiny. So all of these are the properties of these objects. Look at this one. It's not that shiny. So what's the opposite of shiny? Dull. Look at this log. When you touch it, does it feel smooth or hard? Well done. It feels quite hard and rough at the same time. But the opposite of rough, look at this pebble, this rock. It feels really smooth. Now I have some toy. Have you ever tried playing with this toy? What do you feel? What is the property of this toy? It's bendy. It can bend easily. Then we have something that is stiff. It is also called not bendy. Here, something that doesn't get wet in the water. What do we call that thing? That doesn't absorb water. Good job, it's waterproof. What about the paper? They are not waterproof. Can sponge absorb water? Yes, so what it will be? Absorbent. Look at this raincoat. What do you think? Can it absorb water? No, so it's non or not absorbent. Then, who's behind the door? Can I see? No, I cannot. So it will be opaque. Anything that you cannot look through is called opaque. But I can see who's behind this glass door. So what is the property of this glass door? Well done, it's transparent. Good job, learners. Let's consider some of more objects and their properties. Here you can see lots of things. The property of these things is hard. But sometimes the properties of things can be more than one. Can you think of some other properties other than hard? By using our sense of seeing and touch, we can learn how these materials feel. For example, some of them when you touch they feel they're hard, but they're also smooth at the same time. Like let's take the cup. When you touch a cup, the mug, it will be hard, but at the same time it feels smooth. Take an example of a glass jar. It's hard, but at the same time it's transparent as well. You can look through it. So think about more objects that are hard, but they have more than hard, any other property. Let's talk about these materials. Have a look at these objects first. They all feel soft. Rubber, cotton, fabric, yarn, even leather belt. Can you think of something else than soft? Name some things that feel soft. Look around you. Do these things have any other property other than soft? Cotton, fabric? Recall your experiment. We used fabric to learn about absorbent materials. So, yes, you got it now. So fabrics are soft. They are also absorbent. But some of them are not absorbent. Have a look at the rubber. Rubber is not an absorbent material, but it's soft. So it's waterproof. Can you think about more properties of soft things? Let's have a look at this property. Here we are, the rubber band, the leather belt weave, fabric, a metal wire, this paper and plastic cup. They all are flexible. But do they have any other property other than flexible? Think and name some things that are flexible, but they have some other properties. Describe those properties. Let me give you an example. The metal wire is flexible, but at the same time, it is also soft. You can turn it, but it's not breakable. You can bend it, so you will say it's bendy as well. Flexible materials are usually bendy. You can easily bend them. Look at the rubber band. It's stretchy. You can bend it, you can pull it, you can stretch it as much as you can. So now I have named more than 2 properties for these materials. Think about more. Now I have transparent materials. All of these materials have one common property, that is transparent. Now think of some other property that is not common between these. Let's have a look. The diamond is transparent and at the same time it's hard. Look at the glass bowl. It's transparent and it's hard as well. You can look through it. Then we have plastic glass. It's transparent, but at the same time it's flexible. You can easily squash it, crumble it with your hands. Think about some other properties these materials have. They're usually materials having more than 1 or 2 properties. Look around you and you will find lots of objects having more than 1 property. Some objects have more than 1 material as well, so they must be having a lot of properties. Here is a challenge for you. I have some riddles. Guess who am I? I'm transparent. I'm hard. You can look through me. What is happening outside? Can you say what am I? Think about it. Something that's transparent. You can look through it outside. What do you think? Yes, it is a window. Well done. See, it's transparent. The glass of the window is transparent and you can look through it outside. Then, guess this one. Who am I? You can write, you can fold, you can tear it, you can draw, and you can roll it. You get me from natural materials. So, can you tell who am I? What do we get from nature? We can write on it, we can draw on it, we can tear it, we can roll it. Is it a paper? Let's check. Yes, it is a paper. Well done. Last one. Test the property of your pencil or your book. Come on, let's do this one. Take out your pencils. Check the property. Test it. Try to stretch it. Try to roll it. Feel it. Use your senses. Do the same with your book also. What did you find out? How do they feel? Did anything surprise you? Why? Give me the reason why you were surprised. Or what did you learn something new by testing out these two materials? Have fun. I have here something for you to practice online. Use this link and have some fun. And I will see you next week with some more interesting topics. Take care, all of you. Assalamu alaikum.